think it's really easy to see a homeless person and maybe make assumptions about why they're in that situation.
Starting a sleep out is super easy to do. First, I would pick a safe location, and then I would reach out to a bunch of your friends or family.
You know, you're helping others while also helping yourself.
And your impact, you can directly see how it helps kids your own age.
The sleep out experience has changed my family in so many amazing ways. You actually can truly make a difference.
And then lastly, fundraising is the most fun and challenging part. You're also kind of competing against each other to raise the most.
I don't know, it builds you as a person, and almost all the people that did it last year came back for another year, which really says something about the program.
My hope is that by us sleeping out, that in the future, no kid should ever experience living on the street or without somebody that's in their corner just caring for them, loving for them, and cheerleading for them.